Hello everyone, I am Dmitri Mendeleev, a Russian chemist from the 19th century, known for creating the periodic table of elements. It's a joy for me to share a bit of my journey with you. From a young age, I was fascinated by chemistry and how elements interact with each other. My most famous work, of course, is the creation of the periodic table. This attempt to organize elements based on their properties was an exciting intellectual challenge. I remember the days when I spent hours working on this table, adjusting the positions of elements, and even predicting empty spaces for elements that had not yet been discovered. It was an exercise in scientific vision and foresight that eventually became recognized as one of the most significant achievements in chemistry. My passion for science extended beyond the laboratory. I was also involved in education and research, contributing to several areas of chemistry. My commitment to science was driven by curiosity and the desire to understand the world around us. Today, I am honored to see how the periodic table I created continues to be a fundamental tool for chemists worldwide. My hope is that my work has inspired others to pursue the quest for knowledge, to push the boundaries of scientific understanding. Thank you for allowing me to share a moment of my life with you.